Ahoy! Thank you! I'm also glad to see you! I love you too! Hello, humans! You're probably wondering who I am? I'm Cryply! Fucking groovy Mr.Cryply! Immodestly! Hehe! Why should I be modest? I'm the herald and messenger of a new wonderful Cryptoworld. If you follow me, I'll reveal to you miracles and opportunities that you never dreamed of. Want your own island? Take it! Or maybe you want this car? Oh, it's a Lambo! And you will have this. Or maybe you like crypto horse? Oh, God forbid, crypto gays? I'll give you everything. And I'll give you it all at no cost, for free. And relax, humanoid. I don't need for it your soul or even your money. I myself money. I'm the Messiah. I bring freedom and equality of opportunity for everyone. My God is Crypto Jesus, and I'm his apostle. Crypto hallelujah. Ooh. In short, I bring knowledge, and you're like an aroused minx will catch every drop, which I will squeeze out on you. Hehe. Sounds obscene, and that's good. I'm your guide, who will make clear and then put in your head the meaning of complex and confusing tricky words, such as blockchain, Bitcoin, tokens, smokings, ICO, SHICO, dumps and pumps, the crypto and the other bullshit. I will teach you everything. You'll become insanely rich if you put enough diligence and patience. Over the next 5 years, the world, you know, will disappear. It's already past. There comes a new digital era, a new wonderful crypto world, and you'll rule and master in it if you follow me. In this world, entire classes of parasites, officials, auditors, bankers, lawyers, notaries, accountants, and other century-old leeches on our innocent and pure souls will be destroyed. Mashak is dead. Long life Crypto Jesus! Are you with me? Then subscribe to Mr.Cryply's channel and wait for my new videos.